So these are the AirPods Pro 3. Let's have a closer look. Let's unbox them this way. Oh, this is a bit of paperwork. Let's keep it aside. And this here we have some extra air tips. We have extra small air tip. This is the in addition to the air tips that were provided with the previous generation AirPods. Let's go ahead and how got the personalized AirPods Pro 3. And the first thing we notice that at the back of or front we have no physical button, and there's overall design change in this year's AirPods Pro. Let's go ahead and pair them. There we are going to connect our new AirPods Pro. So we need to place both AirPods. Let us switch to the light mode and place both AirPods. And the tips are they are not my size. Let's change the tips first. Let's now continue. So we will get a flash. How do AirPods Pro feel in your ears? We can learn about changing their tips. Here it shows how to remove it, and you can remove the air tip by pulling firmly for a better grip. Turn the tip inside out or use a microfiber cloth or tissue. Let's continue. Here it shows the different sizes. I have found my air tip size. Press once, play, pause, and accept calls. We have a personalized volume. It automatically adjusts the volume of media in response to your environment. Let's turn it on. And conversation awareness. When you start speaking, AirPods Pro will lower media volume, and it can reduce the background noise and enhance the voices in front of you. Let's turn it on. Yes, you can control your AirPods by moving your head. Let's turn it on, and we have a new feature. We can track a workout with it. Has a heart rate sensor this year. Let's continue, and we have a live translation in beta. We can set it up. We can download the support languages: English, French, German. Let's continue. Loud sound reduction with AirPods Pro. Continue. Here are the AirPods Pro are set up. 58% case and 23% AirPods. Now let's head to the settings, and here we have a camera remote, which is definitely the feature of iOS 26. Pause media when falling asleep. It's also the iOS 26 feature. We can also test the acoustic seal while wearing the perfect ear tip. And we have the heart rate sensor in the AirPods Pro 3. Now let's check uh, the translation, which is in beta mode. And it says to press and hold both AirPods to start live translation. And let's do it. And you will hear a chime. It may take a while to download the languages for the live translation. Till then, we can test the heart rate sensor, which is new in this year's AirPods Pro. This year we have heart rate sensor with the AirPods Pro. Maybe this is the sensor, and let's check it out. And let's go to the fitness app and workout, and we have the workouts on phone. Let's continue. Let us start an outdoor workout, and first I will remove my Apple Watch. So here we can, it says to track other workout tasks, connect Apple Watch AirPods with heart rate detection or a device with a heart rate sensor. I have removed my Apple Watch. Let's connect the AirPods Pro 3, and here it's showing the AirPods are connected. Let's start. We have used we have we have to use the location access. You can just check in, and it starts the workout, and it's starting to check my heart rate in the real time. And I am also not wearing the Apple Watch either. So when the download of the supported language for live translation finishes, I will make a separate video how to test the live translation. To know more about that, stay tuned and subscribe my channel to know more about the AirPods Pro 3rd generation. Thank you for watching, and as usual, give it a like. Bye bye.